New module, new battle. Let's win this one question at a time. Today we are going to start module 2 of College Bundle 10. So let's begin today with a soft start, nothing too tricky, just a simple conversation to ease us in. Let's see. An object's speed is 64 yards per second. Okay, 64 yards per second. What is the object speed in feet per second? See, actually we write 64 yards per second. This is actually the way of writing it. But when we are doing conversions, right, it becomes a little bit easy if we write this way. So though it is not a formal or correct method to write, but it is much easier to understand. So 64 yards per second, we have to convert it into feet per second. That means this second is as it is. No need to convert this. So 1 yard is equal to 3 feet. So 64 yards will be 64 times 3 feet, and which is 192. 192 yards 192 feet per second. Now we have done the question. Part D is the right answer, but let's explore it a little bit more. What if my conversion would have been feet per hour instead of feet per second? So that means I have to write it like this: 64 yards per second is equal to 64 into 3, that will be feet, and because 1 second has to be converted into hour, so 1 second is 1 over 3600 hours, right? So that will be 64 into 3 over 1 into 3600. If you solve it over 1, that will be feet per hour. This is how the conversions are made. So in our question, that was yards per second to feet per second, because second is as it is, so we are just converting yards into feet. So D is the right option.